Good afternoon, you guys. Welcome back to Hyper Boost again. It's Pete, your host. Anyway, I did something to my truck. Pretty freaking amazing. So anyway, stand by real quick here. I've always wanted to do this mod on my truck, but I really never found the mod that I really wanted as far as the look is concerned. So anyway, I met a friend of mine, and he actually is the owner and proprietor of auto spa in Ocala, which basically is probably the largest distributor of Jeep and truck parts in the city. So I met with him and I kind of threw around some ideas to see what would fit as far as what I like as far as the fit is concerned. So we kind of threw around some ideas, and then he basically gave me this. Look at that, you guys. So pleased with that. This is actually the TrailFX Toyota Tundra bumper. It looks so factory, you guys. Look at that. I mean, it's just nice and flush the way it actually is measured. It also has the holes for the sensors. So if you have parking sensors, which I don't have on my XP, but if you do have sensors, they will go in there. So right now I'm actually talking to Auto Spa to get me a light bar, as well as some cube lights to fit inside the cube light receptacle right in here. And it's flush, so there's really no adjustments needed for that. Oh my god, you guys, it's absolutely amazing. The fit, perfect. It's just like factory. I mean, I actually had somebody there yesterday at the auto spa tell me that this is the way it should look like coming out of the factory. But look at that, you guys. Holy smokes, look at that. That is so beautiful. Here the way, and it's got the corner step right here, and it's got the little divots inside so your foot doesn't slip. Parking sensors in the back as well, and the cool part is it actually fits the tow light for the trailer. Your trailer hitch doesn't go anywhere, comes with a light. Oh my goodness. And also, by the way, it comes with receptacles for cube lights in the back for rock lights. Man, they really thought about everything at TrailFX. So anyway, I think this is fantastic for the Tundra. It looks so off-road, and if you look at it from the front, you guys, check it out. So it looks like a Baja racer. Oh, that is the coolest look. Look at that. Even with the wheel turned like that. Black Rhino wheels representing Toyo tires. Look at that. That's sick, you guys. It looks like I said, it's like I can't get enough of the look. It looks like a Baja racer. And obviously with the KB Voodoo over the bed rack with the cargo basket, it just looks freaking-tastic. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Toyota reliability with that look. Just wow, you guys. It looks amazing. So the truck is pretty much done. It's pretty much complete. Again, the only thing that I need to do are the lights, and I think I've completed the look. Project done for my 2018 Toyota Tundra XP. So anyway, thank you guys for watching Hyperboost. I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you to TrailFX for making such a great product. Anyway, and also Auto Spa in Ocala, Florida, Jeep and truck accessories. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching Hyperboost, and I hope to see you soon. Peace out.